Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you comparison between Namecheap versus Bluehost. Which one is better for hosting on WordPress? Now, here we have a lot of different things to compare. Now we have Bluehost versus Namecheap support, performance, pricing, and then which one is better. So here we can see on support, we can see both Bluehost and Namecheap provide good quality support. Each has an extensive knowledge base containing articles and tutorials to help users troubleshoot any problems they may be having. So both Namecheap and Bluehost, they have 24/7 ticket, email support, and live chat, obviously, and Bluehost has phone support as well. Now, when it comes to performance, obviously choosing a hosting provider that performs well is vital, right? Now, to run the test, here are the performance for Bluehost and for Namecheap. As you can see, Namecheap has only 3 worldwide servers, right? In UK, in US, and I think one more country. And Bluehost has in many more countries, as you can see right here. And yeah, you can see here obviously the speeds and compare which one is better for you. Obviously, as you can see, Namecheap outperformed Bluehost across the board with consistent faster loading times. Now, Bluehost versus Namecheap pricing. Now, for many, the price of hosting is one of the dedicated factors, right? Bluehost cheapest shared WordPress hosting plan basic comes in at just $2.75. However, to benefit from this deal, you will need to sign up for a 36-month payment, which is in total $100, right? Now, obviously, if we compare, right, both Namecheap and Bluehost offer initial terms that are similar in price. However, Namecheap provides more flexible payment options as well as much lower renewal prices, which is great, right? Obviously, both of these hosting platforms are really similar, guys. So, keep that in mind. Both hosting providers also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. This gives you peace of mind that if you sign up and then decide the service isn't right for you, you can get your money back. Now, Bluehost versus Namecheap, which hosting provider should you choose? They have much to offer, but you only need one of these providers. Here's how to choose. So, choose Bluehost if you're a beginner or place high importance on user-friendly tools. This is what Bluehost is, right? In that case, Bluehost, great dashboard, right? Easy to use dashboard is great for you. Now, choose Namecheap if you want, Namecheap provides a much cheaper hosting package. So if you want a cheap and reliable hosting, then definitely choose Namecheap. Now, Namecheap is a little bit for tech-savvy people, I would say. But yeah, as you can see, Namecheap also offers 100% uptime guarantee and a free website migration service. So both features that many look for when selecting a new host and not something that Bluehost provides. So I would say Namecheap is really the winner here if you want a much reliable and if you're a tech savvy. But if you're not really tech savvy, if you just want a reliable host that will do the job for you, then go with Bluehost, right? As you can see, if you're not still sure whether to choose Namecheap or Bluehost, our overall recommendation for most WordPress users is Bluehost. Its combination of ease of use, adequate performance, and support options makes it a great starting point for most people looking to get online. So I would say this is a really crucial point. Bluehost is much easier to use, obviously, and obviously it's a clear winner here. I would definitely use Namecheap if I want to go for reliability, but if I want to go for ease of use and no headaches, then Bluehost is a platform for me. So that's basically, this is my opinion on Namecheap versus Bluehost. Comment down below which one is your winner in your eyes, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.